Now, this is a review for the test. If you ever pay attention, the review matches the test. It's the same type of problem. I change up the numbers. That's it. So I need you to actually participate, follow along, and do what you're supposed to be doing. So for this right here, it says the latitude. Excuse me, I need you to shut up. Yes, you. Okay, on this right here, we're doing a problem. Latitude of New York City is 41 degrees north, where Peru is 12 degrees south. So we're going to have a circle right here. So we have the equator, which is at 0. This one here, which is 41 degrees north. And this one right here is 12 degrees south. Yes, 12 degrees. Okay. So with this 41 and 12, my formula for this is going to be S equals R theta. And theta has to be in radian. Has to be in radian, right?
Yes.
Has to be in radian. It has to be in radian. What mode?
Radian.
Radian. Has to be in radian. So let's take a look. We're going to go from right here to right here. Add them both together, right? And so this is going to be a total of 53 degrees. But since it has to be in radian, I have to convert that. So I'm going to multiply that by what?
Pi over 180.
Yes.
Pi over 180. I'm not going to worry about reducing it. It's just going to come out to be theta is 53 pi over 180. So that's without reducing it. Just leaving it there. So that is my theta. What is my radius?
It's
6,400.
6,400.
Right? Because every time we do this, Earth radius 6,400 kilometers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Find the north-south distance between the two cities. So we have theta and we have r. So S equals r theta, so it's 6,400 times 53 pi over
180.
So where'd you get that 53? Oh, you added them.
5,920.
Am I right?
Mm-hmm. So 6,400
Kilometers wouldn't be.
times 53 pi 180. So I get 5,920. So it's about 5,920 kilometers.
That's it?
Yes. Same as the problem we had in our notes. So,
How do you put it in the calculator though? How do you put the fraction?
oh, to do this part?
Yeah.
Okay, hit Control Divide.
Control. Right. Oh,
That's going to set up your fraction.
cool.
All right, so let's take a look at number 2 then. A belt runs a pulley radius of 5 centimeters at 60 revolution per minute. Okay, there's a couple things that we're going to have. We're going to have a couple formulas here. So we know that W equals theta over T. That's one of my formulas, right? That's angular speed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, another one was going to be V equals S over T, right? V is equal to R theta over T, and V equals R W. So those are my 4 different formulas I could actually have for this. Those are the 4 different ones. Now, if you don't know these, excuse me, I need you paying attention because if not, you're failing. Excuse me,
Sorry.
please. Now, right here, we're gonna go through and fill out what we have. So, radius is 5 centimeters. So I say R, 5 cm, 60 revolutions per minute. What is 1 revolution?
2 pi.
2 pi. So, to get this is gonna be 2 pi, right?
125.
60 times 2 pi, but this is revolutions per minute. So is this a speed?
Yeah.
What type of speed is it going to be?
Angular speed.
Angular, because it's my angle, right? Angle's the 2 pi, right?
Yeah.
Do we
Okay.
have to memorize all those?
Yes, that's what I was just saying while you were having a conversation right there. Alright, so this is going to be, so W is equal to 120 pi, and that's going to be rads per minute. So let's see everything that we have here. There we go. Find the angular speed of the pulley in radians per second. Do we have angular speed already?
Yeah.
Yes, we have angular speed already, don't we? So this is angular speed, so but it's per second, isn't it? So I'm going to show you guys unit conversion. So if it's going to be 120 pi rad 1 minute. What part of this don't I like?
The minutes.
The minute. So I have to get rid of the minute, right? So where's the minute going to go?
At
On
the
top. Very good. So it's minute on top. What goes on bottom?
60 seconds.
Seconds.
7,200.
So I have 1 minute is 60 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Cancel out the minutes. So it's going to be 120 pi rad over 60 seconds. So that means I'm going to have what? So it's going to be very good. 2 pi. So this is going to be 2 pi rad
Slash.
per
Sec.
second. So this is my part A, right?
Mm-hmm.
So box it, and you have to put A and S. So B. Find the linear speed of the belt in centimeters per second. Okay, centimeters per second. So linear speed is going to be the V, right? Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, linear speed is going to be V, but it's centimeters per second. So am I going to use this one? Say no.
No.
No, because right here it says V equals RW, right? I only have R and W, don't I? Since I only have R and W, I could use this, but this is rad per minute, right?
Yes.
But I want it per second, don't I? So I'm going to use this one as my W. This is my angular speed in rads per second. So it's going to be V equals R, which is 5 times 2 pi,
10 pi.
right? And so together these are going to go into seconds. So it's going to be V equals 10 pi, and because this was in centimeters right here, right?
Yeah.
This is going to be centimeters.
Can you
Mr.
speed
Keep
it
put the
up?
paper up.
Oh, I'm sorry, thank you. Centimeters per second. This is like really easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
The hardest thing is what?
The formula things.
These things right here, the little formula. So how many formulas do we got here?
4.
We have 4, and we also have one from up here, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 5 short formulas. So when are we taking this test?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. So do you think you could have those by Wednesday? Make yourself a couple little flashcards. Okay? Alright, so let's take a look at the last one then. Evaluate the sixth circular function value of angle theta if the given point is on the ray which passes through theta from the origin. Okay, so let's take a look. So I know that with a negative and a negative, what quadrant is that going to be?
3.
It's quadrant 3, right? It's going to be quadrant 3. It's down here in quadrant 3. And since I'm going to let you guys use your unit circle on this,
Yes.
so let's start off with sine. What is sine theta going to be?
Y, which is rad,
Say the whole thing.
rad 2 over 2.
Nope, say the whole thing.
Oh, yeah,
Negative rad 2 over 2. So you should probably have that unit circle out right now, right?
Yeah, probably.
Has everyone got it? You got one? Has everyone got one?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you ready?
Yeah.
So what we're doing the six functions, right? So next I'm gonna put cosine theta. What's cosine theta gonna be?
6 over, no, wait.
X over R.
What is it gonna be?
Negative 2 over, negative rad 2 over 2.
I'm just kidding. I don't do that.
Quadrant 3. Quadrant 3, it's down here, right? Yeah, it's quadrant 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Are you there? It's 225. Should be 225, right?
Yeah. It's 225.
5 pi over 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we have that. Now the next thing is going to be tangent.
It's positive 2, rad 2 over 2.
Now, tangent's what over what?
Y over X.
Okay, the y over the x. Do they have the same thing? Negative rad 2 over 2 divided by negative rad 2 over 2.
1.
Thank you, very good. I get same on top and bottom, don't I?
Yes.
So I have a negative and a negative, so it makes it a positive one. But what if I had the same, but they were different signs?
It would be a negative.
It would be a negative one. Very good. There you go. So there's the first 3. Let's look at the next one. Cosecant.
R over Y.
So that's going to, what am I going to do? So I'm going to give you guys a hint right here. Take this and flip it over.
Take sine and flip it over.
Negative 2 pi.
2 rad 2.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the reciprocal, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the reciprocal, so now we have to rationalize, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by,
Rad 2
Rad
over
2 over
2.
very good, rad 2 over 2,
When you get
negative 2 rad 2 over,
2.
what happens?
Negative rad 2.
2 gets crossed
Wait,
out.
right?
2's get canceled.
So negative rad 2.
Very good, negative rad 2 is my answer. Now let's do the same thing for secant. Okay, so what am I going to have for secant?
you would have
The same thing.
Set it up though.
Negative 2 over rad 2 times rad negative, no.
Alright, I'm asking for the setup. Yes, you don't have to do the math over again.
Oh.
Okay, I just need the setup here. And so that's going to just give me
Negative rad 2.
negative rad 2, right?
Yeah.
Let's do cotangent. What's cotangent supposed to be?
the same thing as
X over Y, right?
Yeah.
So write it out. Negative rad 2 over 2 over.
negative rad 2 over 2.
So my answer comes out to be,
Positive 1 because they're both negative.
yep, both negative, and the same thing top bottom. There we go.
Pretty easy.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
Okay, so listen, you guys gotta memorize this stuff. You guys gotta have it down. I sent out the review for this already last week. Okay, this is not hard. You should be able to get this. I'm expecting everyone 100% on this. The hardest part was what?
2.
I think
the
the second one was
the only
Memorizing the formulas, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like and subscribe.
How are we going to move it?